So here is GalateaTV app. So what is that? So here it is, GalateaTV novels and audiobooks. So yeah, here it is. Quite popular app. It's not as popular as Drama Box or some other apps in this category, but it's getting some traction. Watch exclusive stories adapted from your favorite books. Never miss a release. I think you just found your dream app. Get ready to fall head over heels for Galatea TV. It's the cutest way to dive into the world of smooth, worthy stories that will make your heart go boom, boom. So big, binge tasty romances, snackable episodes, no icky commitments. So become real life fairy godmothers. Sneak a peek at our hotties. So some nice actors and a pretty good app. So here it is. So Galatea TV app. And yeah, unfortunately, then they just don't allow you to record. But yeah, highly recommend it. If you like Drama Box, this is another app to go and try it out.